15.4, sorting array list objects. So we're going to sort them. And what we're going to do is sort list 2. We just finished working on list 2 in 15.3. We're going to run that and do some sorting. The arrays, going to make this a standout thing here. Arrays, we use arrays.sort, but for a array list, we use collections.sort. Now, collections, obviously, is screaming here to be imported. So I'm going to go ahead and import that. And you can see how I did it here. When I first printed, they weren't sorted yet. So I do a print on the list 2 and the odds. Remember the odds from 15.3 where we kind of load up this odd with all the odd values. And we printed them and then we sorted them and then we print them again. Okay, so what we're going to look carefully here is just for the sorted and the not sorted list at the very end. Again, it's collections.sort as opposed to arrays.sort for arrays. Very similar in this sense here, but a different word. Let's run that. Let's scroll down and find it. So here's the list that was not sorted. Okay, this is list 2, and this one is odds. Once we sorted them, then list 2 became a sorted list. And, well, it has list 2 here twice, so it should be odds for one of them. I think this one is odds. That's not list 2. So let's run that again and check it. Scroll right down. So the unsorted list right here and the sorted ones are down here. So very simple. Now, one of the things I want to make sure we get clear here, just like arrays, when I said when you call this sort method here, it has to be ones that can be sorted. You just can't call it sort list on anything, okay? The real idea here is it has to implement what is known as a comparable interface. That's a little bit beyond this course, but for us, what we're going to say is strings and doubles and integer, the usual things. They can sort all of those, okay? All right, sorting arrays, collections.sort, 15.4, sorting array list objects. That brings us to the end of 15.4.